Hey, check out our Patreon in the link below. You'll have access to uncut and upcoming reactions, skits, behind-the-scenes footage, and so much more. Your support goes a long way to helping us with more reactions and original content. Also, thanks for subbing. Set the bell for notifications. Your boy Rock Lee.
Alright, yeah, we are your boy Rock Lee channel.
We are here for the heat that is Konosuba explosion.
Explosion!
Yes. You know what I like about this show is the appreciation for union that we get here. I didn't get that in the Konosuba side of things, but here I'm like, yo, she really is best girl.
Yeah, they treated her like a reject in Konosuba.
They did. They really did, man. Cause they the rejects.
Yeah, the rejects.
When you're around crazy people, they make you feel like you the crazy one. But nah.
That's how she's always been. Yeah.
They make you feel like you weird, you crazy. Cause I haven't watched it in a while, but like when I think about my memories of Union, I feel like I thought this girl was odd.
She in Konosuba, she is odd. She's sometimes off-putting. She seems desperate and sad.
Yeah.
And you want to help her, but you don't want to help her because like you think she's cool. You just feel bad for her. But in this, it's like, oh, you're just winning in everywhere. It's just when she's with these psychos, she looks like a loser.
You know who does that? High school does that, bro. High school will take, when I think about the earlier days, high school will take a perfectly reasonable, fine person, and then the powers that be, the popular people, whatever, will not like that person, and all of us as a community just agree that we're not supposed to like this individual. It happens. It's absolutely terrible. I didn't say they did that word for word, but like that's the best feeling I can project here. Y'all remember in school that they would just
my day job.
Perhaps, I don't know what you mean, but perhaps.
They hate nasty.
Damn, I remember my days. But anyways, we're gonna jump into this reaction. If y'all like our content, make sure you smash the thumbs up, drop a comment, let us know. We post our reactions super early on Patreon. That includes series that don't even make it on YouTube. Check out the schedule for lists of those series. You can find the schedule in the description of this video. We are jumping into Konosuba now.
Oh my god!
That's why I had to make sure I'm reading this right.
They're just shy being stupid. I love it.
The mean dude is demon, okay. Fine, do what you want. Oh. Thickness. Right? Don't do that. Don't do that. Manipulating the hell out of her. Poor thing. Thank you. Good for you. Thank you, but you're going to do it anyways. Poor thing. Poor thing.
Union, I'll treat you right. I'm like this girl.
Bomba clock. Word chest. Oh, you see this?
Yeah.
Oh, a decoy. Making me stuff.
I wonder how many toe picks she sold
They
to
really
the church.
skipped the whiz.
I'm upset.
But wait, there's two. Am I missing something? Oh.
Joke with the hell.
I was like, why would you tie them both together?
Cute.
Wow.
Putin.
Growth? Is she manipulating us or is this growth?
This growth?
Random growth.
Conflict adverse.
Damn.
この1年で
Ah, see, I went through a rough patch with her on this season. Okay. I take back my chastisement.
No, you're obviously right. Even by that one line of dialogue.
Yeah, it was warranted. She was acting that way.
戦いを前に不安になるなんて。はあ、日課である爆裂魔法を忘れていた。どうりで眠れないわけだ。私としたことが。
You gotta get your fix before bedtime.
そんなことを言われてしまっては今さら起きづらいのですけど、正直に言うとね、爆裂魔法なんて覚えた時は首席のくせになんで頭の悪い子なんだろう。でもめぐみんも知ってるよね。姿隠しの魔法で隠れても爆裂魔法なんて使おうとすれば漏れ出す魔力で位置がバレちゃうって。そこまであの悪魔にリベンジしたいって頼んだらあっさり引き受けてくれたわ。え、確か結構な重傷を負っていたはずだけど。一人じゃ戦いを挑む勇気も出
Oh, she's gonna try and do it before Mega Man.
きっとあの作戦じゃ負けるって分かってるのにそのまま行かせられない。あなたは私の一番大事な友達
Oh,
だ
that's
から。
wholesome.
だからスリープ。
Damn! She knows you're listening! Oh, right? Or she just preemptively did that. Am I tripping? Let's see. Let me see.
めぐみごめんね。
She knew she was awake.
Yeah.
Dang.
I know when she knew.
She looked like a mess.
Oh.
She
She had to go back and grab them?
she grabbed some of her toes and put it on?
Toes, yeah.
Wow, Mega Me supremacy.
すいません、ちょっと緊急事態でして急いでいました。今日のところはこれで。
I think Union. You think Union's dead?
すごい顔して。
I hope not. I don't think so.
Not gonna see her in Konosuba season 2?
急に来たな。教会の前で苦しんでいたその人たちを。あの時のエリス教徒たちの悔しそうな顔ったらなかったわ。あなたが事態をややこしくしてくれたのか。お、こうしてもいられません。私もすぐに。あの祝福を。ブレッシング。
Blushing.
Wow, being useful. Just like her goddess, every once in a while.
You know, that makes sense.
悪魔なんかに負けるもんですか。レイさん。こんな時くらいお姉ちゃんって呼んでほしいね。
Just this one. Oh, we have a serious fight happening.
セシリーお姉ちゃん。行ってきます。いってらっしゃい。
What the hell's you carrying right now?
They were trying. Y'all thought y'all could do this without Mega Me? What?
Baka.
Oh, she just handled that. No. Send that shit back. Mirror Force.
Fair.
Fisher. Damn. She only used negate attack. She didn't have Mirror Force on her. Oh, I thought they were hurt getting healed. I misunderstood the dialogue before.
They were only available because they got hit.
I ain't telling.
Man, me carry.
Nah,
bro.
she is.
Union carrying.
Yeah, I know what you meant, Chum, with it. That's why that's a Crimson Demon. The hard way, right for her. They know the flash.
Solar
flare! Hell yeah, baby! It's a distraction. Oh. She didn't know the plan. Wait, it didn't work.
Mega Me.
I know how to tell these.
Making me over there. Oh, stop! Damn! You chugged that thing, girl! Oh? Wait, how? Oh, yeah, two. It is gonna buy some time. Oh, damn! Fisted him. That means you're out the game.
I know somebody who hasn't blown in 2 days. Cho.
Oh my god.
Ain't nobody trying to see this.
If he's making this arrangement, you gotta kill him now. But I don't know what you have. I don't even want him to die though. He's a nice guy actually.
その取引受けてもいいわ。その今日のところはお互い引こうってやつ。おい待て。いいよいいよ。俺たちのことなら気にすんなよ。
Cho. She's quaking back there.
ほら、とどめを刺しちゃいなさい。違うの。ね。
She don't have nothing else.
Shh, they're both paralyzed.
Effect area. You're in the area.
Damn.
Yes. It's the details. What's the range of it?
Wait, is making people also paralyzed right now?
Yeah, he's reasonable. Ah! Look at her. This dramatic girl. Another innocent demon.
It's always about the entrance of them.
Mm-hmm. Look at him getting nervous.
昨夜私は日課である爆裂魔法を唱えるのを忘れ起き出そうとしていたところ何者かにスリープの魔法で眠らされ
She didn't know. Oh no.
Oh, she didn't. Yes. She did as a safety measure, just to make sure she don't get up. Oh, it's time. Yo, oi. Tomate! These two.
Yun.
Everything.
The whole damn thing.
So cute.
If she wasn't paralyzed, she'd be in a ball, full fetal position.
Look at her shaking in the screen in the background.
This is not a good time. This dude is us. Like, dudes, kill this man. Even though I don't want him to actually die.
Oh my god, she's like Alt F4. Get me out of here.
They're right in the blast radius. Aww. Your sister's familiar. Wait. Oh, that's the blast. Oblivion. Weirdos yesterday.
Thief in the short.
Oh
my gosh.
Maintenance on the walls. He ran into the team. Damn. One life wasted.
Jesus. I bet he interrupted the spell though. That's my favorite part of this shit.
Aww.
But it's just one life. It seems like they can come back. Does this show have reincarnation or something? I'm just joking, because
Maybe into another world. I know.
腕利き美人プリンストって肩書きの方が良くないってね。すごくどうでもいいことですね。
I don't.
それにある程度のレベルになったら好きな町の支部長として教会の経営を任せてくれるのよ。
There it is.
お姉さん、ひょっとしてこの町への派遣を狙ってるのですか？秘密？狙っているらしい。
She's cute. And one more time.
ねえ、めぐみ。
Yeah.
ちょっと付き合ってくれない？
I think she was giving nod to Megami. She's like, all I have is heal, and I can bless. Why not do more?
I was thinking that's where she was going to, but was this a duel?
我が公的地にして。
Oh, she's packing up. I think this last episode.
Mm.
Damn.
我が名はユユ。ライバルであるあなたを倒すため、上級魔法を身につけるための旅にね。先日は私のことをライバルではなく、あなたは私の一番大事な友達。
Ah, listen.
何も今のところ私とユンユンとの戦績は、私
Wow.
がほぼ全勝ではないですか。うるさいわね。真面目な話してるんだからちゃちゃ入れないでよ。それでそうなのよ。私が上級魔法を覚えた。
Cutie got calves on her too.
I'm
Jeez.
telling you, stacked from head to toe.
Oh, it's the end. Yeah, this season finale for sure.
Why'd you say that? This
Just
part?
the way the ending is, yeah.
It's a weird season finale, but yeah, it is. I think it is. Like, I'm confident it is. This is weird. I can imagine anything to add to this. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, like how do you go from here?
Yeah. And we're getting these images.
Oh my god.
She met the lady that inspired Megami. Don't even know it. Don't even know
I was
it.
like, wait a minute, I know those heavies. Bro.
Gotta get your one off. I do believe Union would beat Megami actually in a one-on-one at this point.
I 100% think so.
She just had to stay up close to her because she needs range for attack.
All she needs to do is avoid the one explosion spell that's coming.
Look, I don't like. I think like Megami can't use it if you're point blank range with her. That's my thoughts.
She has to do a long ass cast time too.
And she can use paralyze, and then just not be in the effect area. This.
She literally only beat Megami only beat that demon because they was throwing hands at that demon beforehand.
Yeah.
And he got into a fight the day before, and he got slapped by Aqua.
Yeah, the aqua part. A goblin hunt. I feel like that's how it started.
軍資金の残り、ユンユンに格好つけて渡してしまうので
Oh.
Damn.
いや違うのだ。あの時はどうせこの後はいろんなパーティーから引っ張りだこになる。
No.
急募アットホームで
Cozy harmonious part. Yeah, we know who that is.
毎日が8個。だって。
Here we are. Hated ass voice, man.
募集の張り紙見させてもらいました。
Wow, the faces, right?
Jesus.
この対抗は世界が選択せし定め。私はあなた方のような者たちの出現を待ち望んでいた。
Hit him with it! Hit him with it!
我が名はめぐみ。
わらわら。
なりわいとし、最強の攻撃魔法、爆裂魔法を操る者。
I gotta work on my intro.
後に機材の極めて頭がおかしい爆裂魔法使いとも言われる
Range.
一人の少女と仲間たちの物語。新しい大冒険が今始まる。
Good job, Megami. Good job, Megami. You almost turned my back on her mid-episode, man. After she bodied that demon woman, I turned my back on her, man.
It was betrayal.
Yeah, I was done with her, but I see that was like a peak cringe moment, so to speak, and it ended with her, I guess, a good person, so to speak. You know.
She's changed.
Yep.
And she went back to her ways.
Yep. Really forgot how she ends up in Konosuba. Watching the beginning here, I was like, oh my god. Anyways, yeah, this was solid. Very nice. Again, I even feel bad for this demon guy. He was even so proud. He was like, damn, that was pretty strong, man. If only I was stronger like yesterday. I didn't fight those people, fucking around. Goddess magic. I forgot how he explained things. I would have probably won, but hopefully, he said something about coming back as that girl's familiar.
Yeah. Another life.
In another life. Do we have any remembrance of a guy that's like him in the Konosuba? I don't, no, right?
I don't.
Not that I recall.
No, okay. So, anyways, you have anything before? You guys have any final remarks?
Good season. Can't imagine where we're going from here if we are getting another season, you know? Just feels conclusive.
I feel it's
this
conclusive.
Is like, yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
And then you get the other show where you get everything else too, so.
Yeah. So just waiting for Konosuba 3 then.
Yeah.
The only other option they could do is retell Konosuba, but from Megami's point of view. But I feel like
this was Megami.
That'd be a bold move. No, I mean literally the stuff that happened to Konosuba, tell that over again, but just from her point of view. That'd be a bold. That's bold of y'all. If y'all think y'all can pull that off, I don't know, but
yeah, I don't think so. I think there's just Konosuba. They might have other spin-offs, but anyways, that's it.
La Latina spin-off? No, I'm there for it.
I'd want a Union spin-off.
I
got committed in this season.
I honestly, I'd want to see the sister, like what she's doing after like her familiar.
Honestly, that could be funny
like,
too.
The sister seems like an epic character. Like she could really be a problem for everyone.
I think the sister is an epic character and will surpass Megami. I promise. That little sister will surpass her.
The sister didn't end up being the demon lord eventually.
Yeah.
I'm like somehow. Then I'm like, your sister's a demon lord? How? When? And it's like, listen, things happen in the background, man.
Yeah, building an army, making allies, familiars, the whole shebang.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We post our reactions early on Patreon, including series that don't make it on YouTube. Check out the schedule for that heat. Schedule's in the description. We've obviously reached finale. Now's a great time to go ahead and suggest some heat in the comment section.
Also hit the bell for notifications and be sure to click on our videos so you can stay in your Kona feed.
If you leave a comment down below, make sure you leave a timestamp so we can see what you're talking about and know what you mean.
All right, guys, until next time, YaBoyRockLee.
Nerd.
Working nasty.
Out.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, please go ahead and do so. The link is in the description of this video, and I actually tweet back. Much love, YaBoyRockLee.